Good morning, students. I welcome you all to our 11th session of robotics. Today we are going to work on musical box. As you can see here, and you must have seen such kind of a toy also, that a box is there in which when you open the box, the girl starts rotating inside and a pleasant sound comes. Fine. So how to make it automatic? Today we are going to see that. So the main elements which we are going to use today are motion element, motor and music element. Now music element, all of us know, as a pleasant sound is required, so we are going to use music element. Motor is to rotate the girl inside the box. And what is the purpose of motion element here? Motion element is used to open and close. That means we are going to fix the motion element in the box, and when we give the condition to the motion element, accordingly the motor and the music will work. So motion element is the most important in this session. Motion element will be fixed on the top of the box. So when the box will be closed, motion element's position is different, and when the box is open, motion element's position is different. So based on that, we are going to make our today's program. So you must have learned variables in your computer subject also. So today I'm going to introduce variables here also. We are going to set a condition, false or true, based on the values we give. For example, here when the program start, I have set the box open variable to false because the box is closed. And when the box will be open, then we will give this condition as true. So now you can see here when the motion sensor tilt towards front, that means the position of the motion sensor will be like this as shown. So the condition is true and the motor will start rotating and piano will also be played. And if the motion sensor becomes flat, then the motor will be stopped and the music will also be stopped, and the condition will again come back to false. Now I'm going to discuss here about this repeat while statement. Actually, repeat while statement minds its own business. It means that once the output is executed, it will not repeat the things again and again. Repeat while. While means while the box is true, only then the music will be played. So while statement is very important. There are two types of statement exactly, if statement and while statement. So in this case, we are using while statement, and we are going to learn further in our further programs about the if statement also, that if statement is used in which circumstances and while statement is used in which circumstances. Actually while statement is for that particular time. So here we are using this because we need the music only when the box will remain open. Now there's an other way of writing this program also. So that is again dependent only upon the position of motion element. So when the motion element is in front, then motor should work and the music element should also work. And when the motion becomes flat, the motor should stop as well as the music should stop. So this is another way of writing that program only. So if you see this program, it's a bit complex, but I introduced you to this program because I want to introduce variables to you, how to set different conditions in a particular program, and how to use a repeat while loop in a particular program. So both the programs are right. So we are now going to try the same in our Plasmo software. To create new project, we are going to click here, and as we are making a musical box, we are going to give the title like that only, musical box. Okay. The objective is to explore more elements of Plasmo. And description is, when we open the box, the girl will start dancing on music. And when the box is closed, The girl will stop rotate. The girl will stop dancing and music will also stop. Fine. So such kind of description you can give to your projects so that you can always remember what was the main motive behind doing that particular project. So now we will go to create. Okay, now we are going to start with the variable part. So how do we get the variable? First of all, we have to start the program. So we'll go to program. When the program start, we have to give the condition to a variable. So set my variable to this. Fine. So here I'm giving a new name to my variable. That means I'm renaming my variable. So here I'm going to write box open. Box open. Now here it is an integer, but I want true and false condition. So again I cannot type this thing here, text here. So again I will go to variable or input I should say. I will go to input and here I will take a false condition. So I will remove this integer from here and I'm going to take this input value from here. Fine, because when our program is starting, our box is closed. Now we will go to motion element because now our main thing is based on motion. So whenever motion tilt towards front, then what we have to do, we have to first set our condition. Set this to true. Fine. And then we will talk about motor. Select motor. And then as we discussed in the PPT, I'm going to go to repeat while statement. So I'm going to go in loop. So repeat while when my box is open. That means I have to take this condition. When box open is equal to, again I don't want any number here. So I'm going to delete it and I'm going to duplicate this. Because when the condition is true, then the music should be played. Now where is the music element? Here. So play. Now instead of taking cat, I'm going to take a piano. For example, this one. Fine. So when it is front, it is this. Now second condition is whenever the motion sensor is flat, what to do then? So when the motion sensor is flat, then we have to stop the motion of the motor as well as we have to stop the music. Fine. And one more important thing, now again we have to reset the condition to false because now it is flat. The motion sensor is flat. Now let us try this in our simulator. To see the conditions properly, you can always drag the blocks. We are using 3 elements, so we have to take 3 elements. Motor. Okay. Next we are going to take motion. So we have to drag it here. And then we have to take music element. Music. Fine. Now as we all know, we have to change the names again. So here sim motion, then motor, and then music. Okay. I hope it will work perfectly now. Let us try this now. So play. Now when it is front, fine, and when it is flat, so everything will be stopped. So let me stop the stimulator now. I will show you a demo now. So now I'm going to give you a demo of whatever we have done in programming till now. So here I have made the musical box using a cardboard. If you can see, I have put a music element here, and when I'm opening this box, then if you can see, the motor is rotating. That means the girl will start dancing. But if you notice, when I keep it flat, it will not move. Why? Because we have not given the command like that. So when it will be like this, then it will move. And when it will be closed, then no music will come. And music element only for this thing, I have just put it outside. Otherwise, it should be inside.